This is the high-tech, all-electric Genesis GV60. The Genesis GV60 offers rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assistance, or RCCA. RCCA is designed to help detect vehicles approaching from the left and right side while your vehicle is reversing. If this system determines that a collision is imminent, it can warn the driver with a visual warning message and an audible warning. Also, braking is assisted to help prevent collision. RCCA is turned on by default and will activate every time the GV60 is put into reverse. You can access RCCA to turn it on or off, or adjust its settings in the Driver Assistance menu. With the vehicle on, access the Settings menu and then select Driver Assistance, then Parking Safety, and then Rear Cross-Traffic Safety. Note, if the RCCA is turned off, it will activate again when the car is restarted. You can also adjust the warning timing associated with this system. To do so, access the Settings menu, then select Driver Assistance, then Warning Timing. From here, you can choose between Standard or Late Timing. This system is set to Standard from the factory. To adjust the warning volume associated with this feature, access the Settings menu, then select Driver Assistance, then Warning Volume. You can also access this sound menu by going to Settings, then accessing the Sound menu, then Driver Assist Warning. Here you can adjust the warning volume to high, medium, low, or off. Note that when the warning volume is turned off, the steering wheel haptic feedback function will turn on, even if it was previously turned off. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.